Redo. Redo. That was so bad. Hi, I'm Alison. I'm the editorial supervisor at Tern, and I help oversee digital and print content for the marketing team. The Tern website, all the articles, the bike model pages, accessory pages. You'll see my work in the product manuals, any posters if you've been to any of our trade show, bike shows. Oh yeah, you can see me and my daughter in our sun shield and rain shield shoots. My hobbies, I like anything outdoors, hiking especially, but I also run quite often these days. No heights though, I'm scared of heights. Introduce my bike. Ooh, where do I begin? I have actually 3 Tern bikes. The first one is the short haul, and I started riding the short haul or carrying my daughter on the short haul since she was about 1 year old. My husband couldn't really keep up, so we got him a Vectron. The 3 of us would go bike together, him on the Vectron and me on the short haul with our daughter. And eventually she got a little bit heavy. So we upgraded the short haul to a HST, and it's really smooth. I really love it. So some accessories I have on my bike, the weather top bag, which is really great because as you can see here, this is packed to the brim with my own bag, my daughter's preschool bag. We have our rain gear in here, her snacks, toys, everything goes in here. This is like my lifesaver. And then it sits on top of the hauler rack, which is this little open-sided rack up front. I can strap anything to it basically. I can put my daughter's trike up here and just strap it in. But right now it has the shop bag on top. The ride pouch. Ride pouch is kind of where I keep my chain lock. And right now it's filled with garbage, as you can see. The ride pocket's where I put my keys, my phone, maybe a little bit of snacks here and there for the kid. I have a child seat, pink of course, because that's my daughter's favorite color. Little, what do you call it, a little reflector, pink also. Pink pedals, and also I got some little reflective stickers that are cheetah print. Oh, and donut bar tape, because who doesn't love donuts? Oh, I forgot the clubhouse! And also the clubhouse mini, of course. Keeps my daughter very stable, and I feel a lot more secure with it on here. And also I have the dual stand because it's super stable. And my daughter's starting to learn how to climb up and down on the bike by herself. So yeah, I don't have to worry about the bike tipping. And of course I still watch. I stand nearby while she climbs, but it's really stable. Before I had any bikes at all, we would just take our family car, which is a big SUV. It's kind of hard to find parking, in a very crowded city sometimes. So usually my husband will drop my daughter and I off, and then he'll go circle around to find parking, and then he'll miss out on a bunch of stuff. So it kind of sucks that we can't do stuff together like that. Maybe the metro sometimes, but I don't really like the metro because it gets really crowded and it's kind of hard to, take a stroller and stuff. So I normally take the bike when I do school runs. So drop off my daughter and pick her up from the preschool. Weekends we do library. We go to the library, and then afterwards she'll want to go to the park. Yeah, she likes to do a lot of park hopping. And after park, of course, she's hungry, so we go for her favorite snacks. Ice cream, a little treat here and there, never hurts. What's my favorite part about owning a Tern bike? I guess it's just the freedom that comes with it. I don't have to check the public transit schedule. I don't have to check anything. I just go on my bike and go wherever and do whatever I want. With my kid, without my kid, I can just hop on and go. Ugh, I hope that's okay.